What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery in your Toyota Smart Key fob. In this case, it's for a 4Runner, but it's a very similar process in some of the other Toyota Smart Keys. So on the side of the key fob, there's a button that says push. This releases the physical key from the key fob. Once you have the key removed, at the very end of the key fob, there's a small slit. You're going to insert the key into that slit and give it a firm twist. This will split the two halves of the key, and once you split those two halves, you'll notice there's a small circuit board, and the battery is going to be on the back side of the circuit board. So you just have to pry it off with your fingers and locate the battery. In this case, it's a CR1632. To remove the battery, you can either use a small flathead screwdriver or the key itself. Just pry up gently on the battery. Just make sure you don't break off any tabs. You then take the new replacement battery and put it in with the positive side facing up. There are 3 tabs that should click into place when the battery is in properly. Then reinstall the circuit board back into the case half. Just make sure it's in the correct orientation. Then take the other case half, line it up, and press it back into place. Lastly, insert the physical key, test it out, and you're all set. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.